Angry Bird 踩過界，月餅都出埋。Angry Bird 09年年尾一出就成為全球大熱，不過唔講唔知，原來 Angry Bird 要殺豬係因為當年全球豬流感肆虐，咪幫我哋出翻啖氣咯。開發 Angry Bird 嘅公司代表 Henry 今日嚟到香港分享創作，佢話點解 Angry Bird 咁成功都係因為隻 game 而上手，同埋每隻雀仔都各有性格。現時全球已經有3億人下載隻 game， 喺香港都有過百萬嘅下載次數。
Hong Kong is a very, very important market for us. Why Hong Kong is important? Because it's a very leading market, leading in terms of trends. It's a leading in terms of new technology adaptation. It's a leading, and that's why we also do the mooncake introduction in Hong Kong. Because
哇，連月餅都撈埋，睇嚟你真係好過我哋香港人喎。佢仲話目標要有10億人玩隻 game， 而家要不斷令 Angry Bird 更受歡迎，推出好多產品同埋動畫。其中呢隻綠色大嘴鳥推出嘅時候唔受歡迎 ，YouTube 播咗呢套動畫之後，大家都中意咗佢。佢仲話 Angry Bird 之後會有好多大計，唔同嘅季節會有唔同嘅主題，而動畫會係未來嘅發展方向。